Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do Indices Part 5. If you haven't gone through with my Part 1, 2, 3, 4, the link is given in the description. In today's class, we'll solve some very important question from this chapter. So let's start today's class. Here comes one of the very important question. So you can see very important. What is given in this is that 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power minus z. Then we have to prove this. Okay, so proving that sums are very easy. Why? Because the answer is there only, because we have to prove this. So whenever you will get this type of question, you can see here left hand side, middle hand side and right hand side is there and all are equals to. So that time we use this process. Okay, so solution. So what we do, we will write given. So what they are given? They are given us 2x equals to 3y equals to 6 to the power minus z. Okay, so always whenever they will give this type of question, we will take it as k equals to k. So this will be my left. So k I am taking as this. So what can I write? That means 2 to the power x equals to k. Can I write like this? 2 to the power x equals to k. Implies that this I can write 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. So this will be a k to the power 1 by x. So 2 I got k to the power 1 by x. There is a rule we have done already in indices rule. Suppose if I have root is here 1 by 2. Similarly, what happens is that here is suppose 2 square is there. So whenever this square will go that side, it will be root. That means it will be 1 by 2. Okay, and you can note this also. Anything to the power, suppose here is x only. So whenever it goes that side, it will be 1 by x. Okay, keep this. So similarly here, what happens is that 2 to the power x, when it will go that side, it will be 1 by x. So similarly, I think so you can say now, yeah, 3 to the power y is equal to k. So what can I write? Anyone? So this it will be 3. So y, when it will go, it will be k 1 by y. Okay. So similarly, what you have next? 6 to the power minus z equals to k. I can take that implies 6 equals to, what can I write now? K. Since its minus is there, so it will be minus 1 by z. Okay. So now we know, everyone, you know that we know what you know, that 6 equals to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Yes or no? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. So what is the value of 2? 2 is k to the power 1 by x into 3 is my k to the power 1 by y equals to 6. Value is how much? K to the power minus 1 by z. Okay, now you can see the bases are same. If the bases are same, the power should be added. You know this rule. A to the power m into a to the power n. What is it? A m plus n. Similarly, you can see in this what you have, k are same. You can see here k are same. That means the power should be added. That means k 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to k minus 1 by z. Okay. Now you can see here what you have, k are equal. Now in between there are equals to sign. If the bases are same, the power has to be same. That means this I can write 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to minus 1 by z. Okay. So now this I'll bring to the front. So you can write this side. Bases are same implies power are also power or index are same. Index are same. Okay. So if I'll bring this front, what will be 1 by x plus 1 by y minus, when you bring come at this side, plus 1 by z equals to 0. So this is my answer. You can see here. So I got the answer. What will you write? Hence proved. So this is my final answer. Hope so you got the idea. So always remember this first part. If there is left hand side, middle hand side and the right hand side, maximum time we take let k, and this x, when it go that side, it will be 1 by x. Okay, so let's do the another question. Here we have similar type of question. So you can try this yourself only. Okay, so you can see here this question is also very important. So you can see again we have to prove this. So what we can do in left hand side, middle hand side and the right hand side, I said you that always we will take it as k. Solution. So given what you have, 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z equals to what I'll take, k. So this will be my let. So I take as here. So now what I'll do, 2 to the power x I'll take it as k. So 2 to the power x equals to k implies that 2 is equal to what can I write, k to the power 1 by x. Similarly another what you have, 3 to the power y equals to k. That implies that what can I do now, 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by y. Similarly what you have next, 12 to the power z equals to k. So this I can write 12 equals to k to the power 1 by z. Okay, so now what can I do? Can I write like this? We know. So we have to make 12. 12 is the largest one. So can I write like this? 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Yes or no? 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So 2 into 2, can I write 2 square? Because 2 are there. Into 3 is equal to 12. Now instead of 2 now instead of 2 I'll put this value. So you can see here like this, outside is square. So instead of 2 I am putting the value k to the power 1 by x into k, value 3 is here, k to the power 1 by y equals to 12 is how much, k to the power 1 by z. So what I'll get this, k, you can see 2 ones are 2 by x, yeah, multiply, whenever the bases are same the power should be added, 1 by y equals to k to the power 1 by z. Now you can see here what happened in this, the bases are same. The bases are same means the power has to be same. That means this will be 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. You can write here, since the bases are same, power has to be same. Now you have to see the question and you have to make this answer. Okay, so can you see here, x is alone. That means I'll make x alone. So that means I'll take this plus 1 by y to the other side. So what will be this? 2 by x equals to 1 by z minus 1 by y. So whenever this will go that side, it will be minus. Now what I have to do? I have to do the LCM. So it will be 2 by x, or okay, 2 by x equals to, what will be the LCM of this? Obviously zy. So I'll write in alphabetic order. So I'll write y, z. So z get cancelled. What left over? Y. Y will go up. Minus y get cancelled. What left over? Z. Okay. So till here I got this. Now what can I do? Now I have to do cross multiply. Now you can see this x, I'll take this side. This will go that side. So what will be this? Now cross multiply. I am doing cross multiply. So this will go this side and this will go this side. So what will be this? 2yz equals to x y minus z. Okay, but our answer is like this. That means this I'll take it down. So it will be 2yz upon y minus z equals to x. So therefore what I got, x equals to 2yz divided by y minus z. So you can see what you got. So hence proved. Hence proved. This carries 4 marks. Okay, so let's solve another type of question. Here what you can see in this question is that they are given us 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 9 to the power x minus 2. Then find the value of 2, 1 plus x. So first what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. Then that value we'll put it here and we'll get the value of this. So this is also one of the very important question. So let's start. Solution. So what you'll write? Given. So what they are given is that 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 9 to the power x minus 2. So always I told you that always make it in indices form. So this I can't make, but I can make the 9. So 9, what can I do? 9 LCM is, yeah, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So how many 3s are coming? 2. So that means this I can write 3 square. 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 3 square, and this will be your x minus 2. Now what can I do? 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 2 into x, 2x minus 2 to the 4. Now as you know that rule, what happens is that since the bases are same, you can see here 3. Since the bases are same, what will be the power? Power also will be same. So this I can write x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 4. Right? Then this, since the bases are same, the power has to be same. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll make x together. So this I'll bring it front, and this I'll take it that side. So what will be this? X plus, when it comes this side, it will be 2x equals to minus 4 is there. So when this plus 1 will go that side, it will be minus 1. So plus minus is minus. 2 minus 1 is your 1. So minus 1x, yeah, equals to minus minus is plus. 4 plus 1 is your 5. But what will be sign? Minus only. So this get cancelled. So therefore x equals to 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1 is nothing. Is your 5. So therefore I got x equals to 5. But what you have to find? You can see here 2 to the power x plus 1. Therefore, according to question, 2 to the power 1 plus x. So what can I write now? 2 to the power 1 plus x. X, how much I got? 5. So this will be your 5. So it will be 2 to the power 1 plus 5 is your 6. 6 means how many times? 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So 64, I got the answer, and you will get how much marks? 4 marks. Now let's solve another question. So this is a different type of question because we are solving the value of x. So this is a different type of question. So now we'll solve this type of question only. Okay. So now let's solve another question. So you can see here in this question, what they are given is that solve. So solve means, solve means find the value of variables. Find the value of variables. Variables or unknown. Okay. Unknown means x, y, variables, that kind of. Okay. So what you have to find here, you can see you have to find the value of x, and what they are given is that 5 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 1. So solution, what will write? Given. Yeah, given, what they are given is that 5 to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 1. This question carries 2 marks only. Okay. So now what you can see here is 1, but this side is 5. But we know that the bases are same, the power has to be same. So can I write like this? So you know that anything to the power 0 is 1. So a to the power 0 is 1. That means 5 to the power 0 is 1. Yes or no? Then instead of 1, I can write 5 to the 0. That means this will be your 5 to the power 2x plus 3 is equal to, instead of 1, can I write 5 to the power 0? Yes or no? Now you can see the bases are same. The bases are same. The power has to be same. That means this I can write 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this plus 3, I'll take the other side. So it will be 2x equals to minus 3. So therefore, x equals to, what I'll get? Minus 3 by, this is multiply. Multiply, when you go this side, it will be divide. So this, I got the answer. So solve means to find the value of x, y, z, unknown terms. Understood? So we got the value of x. So this is our final answer. So what you can see here in this question is that we have to solve. Again, solve means to find the value of x. We have x here. So given, so solution. So given, I'll take this only. I'll take this only given. Okay. So as you know, there is root. So already we have done that. Root, what can I write this as? Root I can write 1 by 2. Okay. So root I can write this 1 by 2. So similarly this I can write 3 by 5. So what will be this? X plus 1 by 2. Okay. So now what do you have here? 125 and 27 is there. So let's do the LCM because we have to form it in indices form. So 125, what can I write? 5, 25, 5, 5s are, 5, 1s are. So 125, how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3. That means this I can write 5 to the power cube. Similarly 27, it will be 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So how many 3s are there? 3. That means this also I can write 3 to the power 3. Okay, so now what can I do here? So you can see that the powers are same in this two. So this I can write 3 to the power 5. So this is your x plus 1 by 2 equals to, can I write like this, 5 by 3 to the power 3. Okay, so there we have a rule, this rule, a b to the power m. So what can I write? A to the power m, b to the power m. So since the powers are same, you can see since the powers are same, so this I can write this way. Okay, now you can see this side is 3 by 5, but this side I have 5 by 3. So they are not same, bases are not same. So this 3 I'll take it off, this 5 I'll bring it down. So what is this? 3 by 5 x plus 1 by 2 is equal to, can I write like this, 3 by 5. So I change this 3 up, 5 down. So when I'll change this, what will be this? This will be negative minus 3. Okay, now you can see that what you got? Now the bases are same, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So when the bases are same, the power has to be same. That implies, what can I write now? I can write this as x plus 1 by 2 is equal to, how much it will be? Minus 3. Now what you'll do? I'll do cross multiply. So this 2 will go to the other side. So what can I write now? Implies that x plus 1 is equal to minus 3 into 2. So x plus 1 equals to minus 3 to the 6. Now this plus 1 I'll take to the other side. When the plus 1 will go to the other side, what will get? It will be minus 1. So minus 6 minus 1. So minus 6 minus 1 I get minus 7. So therefore x equals to minus 7. Hope so you got it this. Yeah. So this is one of the very important and it carries 3 marks. Now let's solve another type of question. This solve only. Here comes, this one is also solve. Solve or find the value of x and y. So can you do this? I think so you can now do, yeah. Now you are perfect. Solution. So given, what they are given? What they are given is that 5 to the power 3x equals to 125. So they are given us 5 to the 3x equals to 125. So what can I do? I can do the LCM of 125. So what is the LCM of 125? It will be 525, 5 5s are 5 1s are. So how many 5s are there? 3. So this I can write 5 to the power 3x equals to 5 to the power cube. Now you know that what happens is that you can see the bases are same. The bases are same. Bases are same means the power has to be same. That means 3x equals to 3. So what can I write? Therefore x equals to 3 upon 3. 3 get cancelled. So I got 1. So therefore x equals to 1. So I got the value of x equals to 1. Now let's find the value of y. So what do you have again? Again we have, you can see here 10 to the power y equals to 0.001. So I have 0.001. So what can I write this? 10 to the power y, as you know that this one, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 zeros will come in the denominator. You know this rule? Yeah. So this will be your 10 to the power y equals to, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. This means I can write 10 to the power 3. Now you can see that 10 to the power y is a numerator. So this I'll take it up. So it will be 10 to the power y equals to, when I'll take it up, it will be 10 to the power minus negative. Yeah. Now you can see the bases are same. The bases are same means the power has to be same. So therefore y is equal to minus 3. So this ends our chapter. Okay, so please solve some question from your book and you can comment us in the comment box. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel.